did it all on my own, turned a chair to a throne. I'm a king and that's why I stunt hard. I put my whole city on to some things that they never would've known if I didn't stunt hard. And every night is a premiere.
Yeah.
If I ever disappear, best believe I'm coming back. Stunt hard. I got rich, went broke, and got rich again. On that same shit again. All I ever do is stunt hard.
I'm getting motherfucking busy. So many spins, my records is motherfucking dizzy. Haters wanna turn to their girl and be like, who is it? But I bet a million she tell you that's motherfucking Drizzy. And I'm focused on my survival. Keep an eye on the door and focus on my arrival. Who do you look up to when you're better than your idols? And how you supposed to look when you do it with your eyes closed? I'm everything you just haven't become. I spend my time trying to outdo what hasn't been done, and hopefully live to see what they say that I'm gon' be. And if not, I hope future does in the memory of me. Get your team in order, assembly is key. And all my niggas shudder at the mention of a plea. They'd rather be apprehended and keep quiet than to be on the stand jeopardizing an inch of their loyalty. Pick a lane, that's all I ever heard. But I'm just trying to swerve without hitting the curb. That's why I spend thousands on bottles so I can pop them and take photos with hater niggas and crop them. I am not them, I Photoshop them out, cause they don't understand what I'm about. Yeah, the Chris Paul of this fall, sitting this tall. I float high, goodbye, I will miss y'all.
I did it all on my own, turned a chair to a throne. I'm a king and that's why I stunt hard. I put my whole city on to some things that they never would.
Nilsson vill hitta någon att passa, gör det också. Kabir drar på skott därifrån, vilket skott! Och vilket mål! Vilket mål! El Kabir gör det 2-0. Vilket drömmål han gör. Han tvekar inte en sekund, vänder sig om och klappar till. Mustafa El Kabir. Vilken artist. Får man gult kort också när man ska visa musklerna. Men det är klart. Det är så synd att man ska börja få varning för det där när man ska fira ett sånt vackert mål. Titta på det här. Tar ner den på bröstet, lägger den till rätta och så drar han till. Utan chans för Dusan.
I have a bouncing back like Dominique Dawes. Yeah, but I ain't studying these hoes. I've been pimping since Hulk Hogan was in WO. Yeah, I'm wild, Drizzy, tough, and the Kid Vicious. The three horsemen, we just need Sid Vicious. Yeah, I'm on a cup of that tilt. And if you're hating on me, I say fuck you like Wilt. Yeah, I'm a wilder beast, you just a wildebeest. My two fingers make a gun and shoot and kill your piece. Yeah, talking big shit. I am rude, I take food from a kid, picnic, nickel. Yeah, and we could bang like bumper cars. You know I stun shit, cause I write all stunner bars.
I did it all on my own, turned a chair to a throne. I'm a king and that's why I stunt hard. I put my whole city on to some things that they never would've known if I didn't stunt hard. And every night is a premiere. If I ever disappear, best believe I'm coming back. Stunt hard. Rich, went broke, and got rich again. On that same shit again. All I ever do is stunt hard.
I stunt hard, I stunt harder. Boy, they call me Jackie Chan in New Orleans. I ball hard, so I'm a ball hogger. And I go hard in my dunk like Vince Carter. I hustle harder, I live in the Carter. I think forward, all I see is tomorrow. I need me, I turn your shopping to a horror. So if you're trying to see more, better feed me. I'm back on my grizzly like Izzy after girl. Don't he look like a black grizzly in that black fur? And the fans will never give me like a
Det var bara 10,5 minut kvar när Mustafa El Kabir går för sitt fjärde mål i matchen. Och han gör det också. Mustafa El Kabir kontrar in segermålet. Ja, matchen kan sluta hur som helst, men Malmö kommer inte vinna det här. 5 avslut, 5 skott på mål, 4 mål i matchen. Vem är hjälte på den här arenan? Jodå, det är den här killen. Född 88 alltså, i oktober månad. Värvades nära in på premiären i Allsvenskan. Så gick hans fjärde mål till i matchen. räcker med Daniel Andersson. Och Ulrik Vincent hänger inte heller med, och framförallt inte...
I wanna know your name. You just kill me, could you at least do that? I wanna know your name. Or better yet, stay in there, but just do that. I wanna know your name.